No, they got music here.
You know what movie this reminds me of? Platoon.
You know what this song reminds me of? Good Vietnam.
Yeah.
Back in Good Morning to Vietnam.
Good Morning Vietnam too.
Yes. Oh look, Big. Remember Big movie?
Yeah.
That's the future guy.
Yeah.
Future guy. Oh wow. I see it already. Oh wow. They just opened this too from last year. Oh, cool. Oh, wow. Look at that big bag of popcorn.
She'd
Look.
be in heaven. Yeah.
Who?
My mom.
Your
I
mom?
don't think how much is it?
I know who else would be in heaven too. Grandma. Yep.
Oh, no, it's $16.
Wow. Let's get back into the pops here. A lot of people here too because it just opened up last year. You can get your candy right here too. Uranus. I bring people in, that's what I do. Excuse me. Oh, look at all this. Here's your sockers. They also got t-shirts. Look at this. Yeah. Gas and Lube Company.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is all about Uranus state and city. They also got a gun thing.
Yeah.
It's a gun game.
Ah.
Gotta shoot that over there. Wow. Coffee mugs are $15.99.
Dang.
I know. Got some shot glasses too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And these cups.
Yeah.
If you want to buy something, let me know.
Okay.
They got red tomato, pickles, asparagus, quad eggs, blackberry, syrup, wow, pumpkin butter.
Yeah.
Let's just hope they don't have apple butter. That's your dad. Oh, look at this.
Sweet baby corn.
Sweet baby corn.
Yeah.
Sweet baby corn.
Yep.
Look, they got strawberry.
Hot.
Yeah.
Those are those.
Yeah, these coffee mugs are $15.99 right here in Indiana. This place is amazing. It's nice. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, moms.
This
It's fine. Lonely time. Living the dream.
Living the dream, yeah.
Yep. Karen's. Nice. What's this one? Stoners. Slight. Unhung. Cat people. Probably stoned.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, here we go. Dog people. There's your grandma.
Grandma, dog people. Cat person. Melissa.
She's a dog lover too. Don't give her wrong. Don't let her fool you.
Oh, here we go.
Look, the grammar police department.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like these. Oh, well, they got some old lunch boxes too.
Yeah.
Famous painter.
Yeah.
Mushrooms. Johnny Cash. E.T. Chucky. Elvis Presley. I don't know who this guy is. Excuse me, ma'am. All right, thank you. These are puzzles here.
Yeah.
You gotta at least get to a. Oh, good. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Watch out, we got that. No, you're fine. You're fine.
Sorry,
You were
sorry.
first. You were first.
I'm sorry I'm late. I saw a dog.
Oh, check this out.
Dog mom.
These are soaps. I don't know where Dad is. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, cool. They also got some ice cream here and stuff too. That's a little cafe for the ice cream and fudge and stuff.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Now we just saw some dinosaurs outside. Oh, I remember those.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You put the cork in and then shoot it out
Oh.
by going like that.
Oh.
Got your bangers.
She trying to trick you? Oh, Ingrid. She said she's trying to trick me. That's what she said.
I'm with him.
I love working here, but I love playing in bed even more. You pay for everything over the register.
Look, you can buy yourself some time.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where's Ricky at?
All right, honey. Can't resist.
Where's Ricky at?
Waiting in line.